Good day, grade 2. Welcome to our discussion for Mathematics 2, the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers tell us the position or order of objects in a given set. And we form an ordinal numbers by writing the cardinal numbers. So what are the cardinal numbers? These are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can create the ordinal numbers by attaching suffixes st, nd, rd, and th before each numbers. So here are some examples. We have here the first. We have there the 1 and we attach the suffix st. We can read this as first. Instead of 1, we read this as first. Next one, we have here this, the number 2. We add the suffix nd. So we read this as second. Next one is number 3. We add rd. So this is read. So we can read this as third. And next one, we have here 4. And we add the suffix th. And we can read this as fourth. And next, we have here number 5. And we add suffixes th. And we can read this as fifth. Another one, we have here number 6. And we add th, the suffix th. And we can read this as sixth. Next, we have here 7 and we add again th, the suffix th, and we can read this as seventh. And next, number 8, we add another th, and we can read this as 8. Next one, we have here 9, and we add the suffixes th, and we can read this as ninth. And next one, we have here 10, and we add th, and we can read this as 10th. Another one, we have here number 11 and we add th. So we can read this as 11th. Next one, we have here 12 and we add the suffixes th again. So we can read this as 12th. And next we have here 13 and we add the suffixes th. So we can read this as 13th. And next we have here number 14 and we add the suffix th. So we can read this as 14th. And next we have here 15 and we add the suffixes th. So we can read this as 15th. And another one, we have here 16 and we add the suffixes th again. So we can read this as 16th. Next one, we have here 17 and we add the suffix th. So we can read this as 17th. Another one, we have here 18 and we add the suffixes th again and we can read this as 18th. And next, we have here the suffixes 19 and we have next we have here number 19 and we add the suffixes th and we can read this as 19th. And next one is the 20. We add th, so we can read this as 20th. So these are some of the ordinal numbers. So as you can notice in our ordinal number, there are a pattern to identify which number we can add the nd, st, rd, or the th. As you notice, there is a pattern on how we add suffixes in a cardinal number. So here is one. The number that end with 1 except the 11, we add the suffix st at the end of the number. Example, we have here first, 21st, 31st, 41st, and so on. So all numbers that end in 1 except 11, we add st, the suffix st. And next one, numbers that end with 2 except for 12, we add the suffix nd at the end of the number. Example, we have here second, 22nd, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds, and so on. Again, every number that ends with 2, we add the suffix nd except for 12. Next one, numbers that end with 3 except for 13, we add the suffix rd at the end of the number. Example of numbers that ends with 3 is third, 23rd, 33rd, 43rd, and so on. So the number that end with 3, we add the suffix rd except for the 13. Next, number that end with 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, including 11, 12, and 13, we add the suffix th at the end of the number. Example, we have here fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, and so on. Numbers that end with 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, including 11, 12, 13, we add the suffix th. And in ordinal number, it is important to write the suffixes in the cardinal number. And in ordinal numbers, it is also important to know the starting point. For example, I have here the starting point. I have your start here. You start in your left. So it means the first position or the shape that is in first position is the square. The second is the circle. The third is the triangle. The fourth is the star. The fifth is the heart. The sixth is the diamond. The seventh is the cloud. The eighth is the rectangle. The ninth is the plus sign. And the 10th is the pentagon. So what if we change the starting point? We change the starting point to your right. So the starting point is in the right. So it means the position will change. The first position now is in the pentagon. The second position is in the plus sign. The third is the rectangle. The fourth is the cloud. The fifth is the diamond. The sixth is the heart. The seventh is the star. The eighth is the triangle. The ninth is the circle. And the 10th is the square. So that is how important to know the starting point. So I have here another set of picture. So our starting point is here. So as we know the ordinal number, the first picture is the square. The second is the and. The third is the heart. Fourth is the butterfly. Fifth is the plus sign. Sixth is the circle. Seventh is the star. Eighth is the elephant. Ninth is the rectangle. 10th is the pentagon. 11th is the crab. 12th is the smile face. 13th is the moon. 14th is the bird. 15th is the sun. 16th is the triangle. 17th is the cat. 18th is the diamond. 19th is the snail. And in the 20th position, we have the cloud. So that is how we identify the position or the order of an object in a set or in a list. So that is the end of our lesson. I hope you learned something for today. Thank you for watching and listening. Till next time.